Hello kids, welcome to Abc123 Magical Learning. Let's learn 2D shapes. Kids, first we will learn name of the colors. These are the color kids. This is brown color, red color, orange color. This is burnt color, green color, yellow color. This is black color, triangle, rectangle, arrow, pie, oval, moon. Now let's trace the shapes. Triangle. This shape is called triangle. Rectangle. This is rectangle. Arrow. This shape is called arrow. Pie. This is pie. Oval. This shape is called oval. Moon. This is moon. Now let's color the shapes. Brown color, triangle. This is brown color, triangle. Brown color. This shape is called triangle. Next is rectangle, red color. We are doing red color to rectangle. This shape is called rectangle. Rectangle. Arrow. This shape is arrow, orange color. Arrow, orange color. Arrow. Next shape is pie. We are doing burnt color. This shape is called pie. Burnt color, burnt. Oval. Next shape is oval. We are doing green color. Oval. This shape is called oval. We are doing dark green color. This is green color. Next shape is moon. Which color? Yellow color. Which shape is this, kids? Moon. We are doing yellow color to moon. Brown color, triangle. Red color, rectangle. Orange color, arrow. Burnt color, pie. Green color, oval. Yellow color, moon. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.